Hello everyone, welcome back to How to Tutor. Today in this video, I'm going to show on how to change phone number on Twitter X. So let's get started. First, open the Twitter X on your mobile device. Now, tap the profile icon at the upper left side. Tap Settings and Privacy, then tap your account. Tap Account Information. Here, look for phone number and click on it. Tap Update Phone Number. Now, enter your password to continue. Type your new number, then click Next. After that, validate your phone number to change your phone number. That's it. If you found this video helpful, please do follow, like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more tutorial videos.